Hi, I'm Ariana with Current Energy. Current Energy specializes in building solar energy systems exclusively for commercial property owners like you. I'm here at the famous Nuys Airport in Los Angeles, where we're installing a multi-million-dollar solar energy system that we have specifically designed for this customer. This system, when finished, will span atop 9 hangars and 2 carports, covering 150,000 square feet of rooftop, totaling 6,569 solar panels and generating 4.5 million kilowatt hours of power per year. While working closely with the LA DWP, Current Energy has engineered and combined the output from all these inverters and sends it back into the DWP grid via high voltage transformers and switchgear, all without any overhead wires. Current Energy did an in-depth analysis of the site, energy, and financial needs, and discovered that the owner was not primarily concerned about energy costs, as he's renting the aircraft hangars to multiple tenants who pay for all their energy costs. In addition, the hangars generally do not have high energy use, as they're mainly storing airplanes. Originally, the building owner believed that he wasn't a good candidate for solar because he assumed he would never consume all that power produced by the proposed system. Current Energy enlightened the building owner in understanding the value of his rooftop and carport space, and that this space could be transformed from a liability into a valuable asset. Current Energy recommended that the building owner take advantage of the Los Angeles feed-in tariff program, where all of the solar energy produced by the property could be sold directly to the DWP at one of the highest rates in the country with a 20-year contract. Because of this aggressive program, Current Energy was able to execute the design, permitting, installation, monitoring, and warranty the entire system at no cost to the building owner. Once the system goes online, the building owner and Current Energy begin revenue sharing immediately. Because feed-in tariff programs pay such high rates with long-term contracts, it enables solar developers like Current Energy to build systems like this one at their own expense, and then either lease the building owner's rooftop or enter into a revenue-sharing program with the owner.
The driving factor in any solar project is whether or not it's going to be a feed-in tariff or a net meter. In the case of an aircraft hangar, given the amount of square feet of the building and the energy use, the buildings actually consume very little power. So it was far better for us at the park here to leverage the roof space for feed-in tariff. Well, the bottom line is we make money off of renting our roofs, which is significant over the years, over the life of this project.
Give Current Energy a call today and we'll help you take advantage of tax incentives that will generate huge discounts on your new solar system, reduce your reliance on the grid, protecting you from rising energy costs, increase your property's value by making it more attractive to potential buyers or tenants, and finally, use solar energy to promote your commitment to the environment, which can also improve your brand. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to talk to you soon.